number one side hustle no one talks about in 2021/Easy Money. Crowdfunding is the number one side hustle that no one talks about in 2021, mainly because no one is aware of how powerful it is. Even if you've heard of crowdfunding before, there are many different types of crowdfunding. For everyone that has a need, there is a crowdfunding platform for you. Crowdfunding websites help companies and individuals worldwide raise $89 million from members of the public in 2010, $1.47 billion in 2011, and $2.66 billion in 2012. $1.6 billion of the 2012 amount was raised in North America. Donation-based is second most popular form of crowdfunding. Donation-based crowdfunding is the collective effort of individuals to help charitable causes. In donation-based crowdfunding, funds are raised for religious, social, environmental, or other purposes that may be personal. Donors come together to create an online community around a common cause to help fund services and programs to combat a variety of issues. The major aspect of donor-based crowdfunding is that there is no reward for donating, rather, it is based on the donor's altruistic reasoning. On September 1, 2021, the world's first cooperative crowdfunding system launched. Now givers become receivers. Now you can use CoopCrowd to easily raise money for any personal, charitable, or business reason. With just 3 simple steps: give, share, then receive. Peer-to-peer crowdfunding within the cryptocurrency space has never been done before, but now it makes crowdfunding seamless. You can start your campaign today.